Hi guys and girls, the purpose of this video is to explain to you how to graph an inequality on a number line. This is iXL Level H AA2, graphing inequalities on a number line. So again, remember that you can click Learn with an example. This one I'm going to walk you through. I'm going to read the directions first and then explain what the directions are actually asking you to do. It says graph x is greater than or less than 8. I'm sorry, I keep saying that. Graph x is greater than or equal to 8. Just like in the classroom, right? Okay, to draw a ray, plot an endpoint and select an arrow. Select an endpoint to change it from closed to open. Select the middle of the ray to delete it. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to look back here. X is greater than or equal to 8. So we're going to find 8 on the number line, and we're going to click it. Now, if you know that X could be equal to 8, you know that that circle has to be filled in. If you don't want that circle filled in, then you would click it again, and it would just be the outline. But we're going to click it, and we're going to keep it filled in. Okay? Now, we have to figure out which way the ray has to point. So is it going to go this way, saying that it's going to equal everything less than 8 now? Or do we need to have it go this way, saying it's going to equal everything greater than 8? So our x is actually in the inequality here saying it's going to be everything greater than 8. It can equal 8 or be everything greater than 8. So I'm going to click again here to make my ray say that is everything greater than 8, and then I'm going to hit submit. So that's how we're graphing on the number line. So I'm going to go ahead and look at this one now, and the only thing that changed is now it's just saying that x is greater than 8. So now what I need to do is I need to find 8 again on my number line. But this time I don't want it filled in because it's not equal to 8. It's going to be an open circle because it's actually saying that it's everything greater than 8. It's not equal to 8, everything greater than 8. So that circle has to be open. Okay? And then I'm going to hit submit. All right, now we have x is less than 2. So I'm going to find 2. And again, I'm going to open that circle up because it's not equal to 2. It's actually everything less than 2, which means I'm looking at numbers like 0, -1, 1, -5. So I'm going to the negative side of the number line. And then I'm going to hit submit. Okay, let's try this one more. X is greater than 10 or equal to 10. So that or equal to tells me when I click on 10 that I can keep that circle closed. Anytime that it's equal to that number, keep that circle closed, filled in, okay? And then I need to find everything that's greater than x, which means I'm going this way on the number line, okay? It's okay if there aren't any other numbers there. It just means that's the way I'm going on the number line. So if I can say 15 is greater than x, 20 is greater than x, those would all be over here on this side of the number line. So then I can go ahead and say, yep, I've got it. Now let's say that I make a mistake, okay? I can just click the middle of that ray there and it'll delete it all for me so that I can start over, okay? So I'm going to click on my 10 again and that end of the ray there and hit submit. Again, if you have any questions, you can click on that Learn with an Example when you get started. You can get the answer wrong and see what they tell you in the explanation, or you can email me as well. Okay, thank you.